Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So let's start our today's lesson. In the previous lesson, I have taught you about sentence. So again, just check the previous knowledge. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which gives us complete sense or a complete meaning. And what we have to remember? We have to remember three things: that group of words which gives us meaning, complete sense, a group of words which placed in proper order is called a sentence. Second thing, a sentence always begin with a capital letter. Always begin with a capital letter. Or you can say the first word must begin with a capital letter. Now, third thing which we have to remember, the sentence must end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So this was in your previous video. Today we will learn about types of sentences. So children, there are mainly sentences are of four types. Interrogative sentences, number 2 assertive sentence, number 3 exclamatory sentence, and number 4 imperative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are sentences that ask a question. Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. It's called an interrogative sentence. In this kind of sentence, you always see that sentence ends with a question mark. Ask a question. Assertive sentence always is a solution, or you can say state something. It's an answer, always an answer, and always end with a full stop. Exclamatory sentences express a strong or a sudden feeling. Exclamatory sentences expresses a strong or a sudden feeling, and this kind of sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Now, imperative sentences that expresses a command. Imperative sentences expresses a command or a request. For example, imperative sentence, command or request. Command means stand up and read your chapter. It's a command. And request, please give me a glass of water. So this is called an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence express a command or a request. Clear? Interrogative sentence means a sentence. What kind of sentence? A sentence that asks question. For example, how will you reach the station on time? Question mark. How will you reach the station on time? What is your name? Where do you live? So this kind of sentences comes under interrogative sentence, because these sentences asking a question and ending with a question mark. Now, assertive sentences. My name is Neha. I read in class 3. I am a girl. So this is sentences. Assertive sentence means gives states or something, and this sentence is also called a declarative sentence. It's also called a declarative sentence. Now, exclamatory sentence. Now, an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Example: what lovely flowers we saw at the exhibition. What lovely flower we see at the exhibition. Exclamation mark. This kind of sentence ends with an exclamation. Next, what a sweet mango this is. What a sweet mango this is. So this kind of sentence is called exclamatory sentences and ends with an exclamation mark. Imperative sentences, command and order. Command and order. Please go and bring chalk pieces from IT room. Please go to IT room and bring your attendance register. It's a request sentence. And command, complete your work on time. Stand up and do your reading. This is called command. Now children, what is your today's work? Now look at this. Here is the exam, or you can say definitions of 4 kinds of sentences. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Number 2, assertive sentence. A sentence that says or states something is called an assertive or declarative sentences. Now third, exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong or a sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Last one is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command, a request, or an advice. Or an advice also. Advice means, Meena, do your homework on time. They said advice. You must always walk left hand side. This is an advice. It's called an imperative sentence. Now what is your homework? You have to write down these 4 kinds of sentences in your notebook. You have to listen children, you have to write down these 4 types of sentences in your notebook, and your today's homework is, after completing this 4 types of sentences, you have to do this exercise. Read the following sentences and say whether they are declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory sentences. So here are the sentences. Number 1. What a sweet mango this is. What kind of sentence it is? You have to write down. Where are you going for a holiday? Number 3. I need your help to do this sum. Number 4. Please close the door. Number 5. Mr. Gupta is going for a walk. Number 6. Do you play tennis every day? So children, you have to write down these sentences and write and give a blank space here and write down what kind of sentence is this. For example, what a sweet mango this is. One I am doing for you. It is ending with an exclamation mark and telling us some sudden feeling. So it is an exclamatory sentence. So you have to write here exclamatory sentence. Like this, you have to do all these 5 sentences yourself. Thank you.